Do you know how to take advantage of the free help offered by Microsoft for all their products? I'm the CyberGuy, and whether you're using a Microsoft Surface, an app like Word or PowerPoint, or anything else, you can actually get free virtual help and training through Microsoft's website. First, you're going to want to head to Microsoft's support page by going to support.microsoft.com, then tap Account and Billing to see a drop-down, and select Microsoft Store and Billing. Scroll down to Explore Microsoft Store Services and tap United States to see the options here in the US. Then you'll see options like virtual workshops and training and product expert appointments. Under product expert appointments, either tap Setup if you need help setting up a PC device running on Windows, or tap Training and you can learn more about any Microsoft product and the operating system. Tap Book a free training appointment. Fill out the form and you'll be able to learn more about Microsoft and all the products and apps involved, all for free. For more tech tips on how to get the most out of your tech, head to cyberguy.com. Get lots of quick tips and how-tos by signing up for my free newsletter.